Alright, I'm back at it again. So where we left off last time was... got a few things left on the checklist. This bug up here, fresh instance of a game, doesn't load high score. Basically, if I ran the game... Oh. This... Oh, actually, wait, that's incorrect too. Hey, so we know what we're going to work on right now. Okay. Request score emits the score and the high score. So, yeah, I think there was a function down here. Yeah, basically this thing that I'm calling. I'm gonna move this out. So it'll be basically, yeah, okay, so this is gonna be called load scores. And then, let's rename this. This will be load leaderboard, because that's a little bit more descriptive. Load leaderboard. Go back here. Scores. And we'll uncomment these. I mean, let's just do it here. Load scores. But yeah, this needs to be used down here. Load saved score. Alright, so new game. 0. That is correct. Let's put some points in here. 725. Got it. Saved. Good. Exit. Start up again. 25. Okay. And then I'm gonna delete my beautiful scores. Yeah, it's this. Save quit. Alright. That's probably enough test cases. Call that good. Alright. However, in the last stream, we discovered this in full screen mode that the game lags, and I'm gonna showcase it a little bit. Can you kind of feel it stuttering, even in this mode? And then, if I go to full screen mode, you really notice it. See that? It just completely jumps. I did some profiling on it, and the problem is the save photo. So if you look at one of these, oh, there we go. Combine and process are taking forever. And not forever. It's 43 milliseconds. It's not terrible latency, but clearly we can perceive it. And then also save state. And so what do these three share? This combine function does get viewport, get texture, get image. Because I wanted to save a snapshot. I thought it would look cool to look at your save file and see your current progress. But anyway, that's not going to be feasible to do on every combine, on every save state. And so I might need to do some sort of job. So I've been looking into asynchronous loading and thread support. I might try that. Or I might just remove this from the combination and keep it in the save and quit button. The only problem with that is that it won't get triggered when the X gets clicked. In theory, I can do it when the X gets clicked, I think. We should try it. Let's try it. I believe it's notification is what I want. And the what, I'm not sure. So if what equals notification close request, I think is it. Let's try it. In the game, and I hit this. Hello. Yeah, so I can, in theory, do it on an exit as well. So let's do that. We'll do global.save state, get viewport, get texture, get image. It's not going to be foolproof, and so maybe your snapshot won't be completely up to date. I'm going to have to set it to null. Is that possible? Is it going to let me? And then you do if snapshot, then save it. Otherwise, we're skipping that. Okay. I mean, eyeball test says that this looks a lot better. Yeah, easy. And then if I save, I should still have that snapshot. And then also here, I'm going to drop the orange ball right there. If I hit this, I should also get the snapshot. Puts that orange ball. Yep. There's the orange ball in the little snapshot. You can barely see it. Honestly, this might look terrible on an actual mobile device, but I thought it was a cool touch. Yeah, I'm going to consider that solved. And it was not caused by the stream. It was caused by bad code. That's a classic. All right, so for the rest of the day, we could work on some animation stuff, or we could work on some UI things. This animation one, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. Not going to use those shaders. Those types of shaders. So like something that like deletes pixels from the inside out, I feel like would be too intense for the types of devices I'm actually targeting. So I have this canvas group. But anyway, what we can do is we can like create a duplicate of this, like right in the same spot. And then on that shader, instead do subtract. Yeah, it would essentially delete the ball. Okay, let's get rid of this glow. And let's say that the glow would go away when the ball pops. And so then as I scale this up, it like effectively deletes it from the inside out, right? And then once we get to the edge, I guess, once we get to 1, we just delete both of them. So that's kind of the idea here. It could be kind of tough. I think maybe I'll just go for it. Maybe I'll learn a thing or two as I do it. All right, so we'll duplicate it. This will be the delete circle. Let's just call it that. I don't know, it's kind of a dumb name, but all right. And so then this one would be transform scale 0. But it would also have material, canvas item material, subtract. Yeah, I need it to be in a canvas group. Okay. Well, the good news is these are going to be in a canvas group. I don't actually want to do this. And just to double check, we can do this. Whoops. Game container. Yep, they're all part of this. Let's make the delete circle scale 0. Yeah, let's just do like an animation in here, I guess. We can just do a tween. Funk, pop. And it will be our tween equals create tween. Tween dot tween property. And it will be the object is the delete circle. The property is scale. The final variant is vector 2.1. The duration will be constants dot. It's good. And then tween dot callback. Func. Q free. Do the reverse of these basically. And also up here, we got to take this and put that in here. We go to the ball manager where we combine. Instead of Q freeing, we're going to do ball1.pop and ball2.pop. See how it works. Oh, what on earth? What on earth is that? Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I'm recording this. Oh man. Okay, what could possibly have been happening there? This is my all-time high score now. Yeah, it's probably just because the ball is no longer queued for deletion. So I might need to check for a different thing as well. Like maybe I can do... well, let's debug first, I guess. Yeah, why does it do that? I mean, this is hilarious still. It's certainly how to get some high scores. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna assume that it's because it's not being queue freed anymore. So there's gonna be some sort of, yeah, var popping bool equals false. And right here, we will do popping equals true. If ball, so we'll do it right here, ball dot popping. And we'll do if not event1 ball popping. So if it's not queued for deletion and if not body, I'll just add it to this. And body dot popping, not. 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 Whoa! Okay, look at this. Dang, that looks really nice. Okay, let's make sure that like multiple pops work in a row, because I feel like I saw earlier that that wasn't working very well. No, that works very well. Yeah, this is good. Good feedback. Wow. Yeah, that just made the game a lot better. Not gonna lie. Oh man. As is usually the case, I just continue to find myself playing the game because it's fun. Okay. I should probably move on to the next task, right? Right? Get down there. Let's go. Oh! No. That guy's never getting out of there. Wow. Okay, so that was awesome. That looks really, really good. That animation looks sweet. I think I'm going to call it good right there. Goodbye.